Okay, I'm going to show you how to assemble your dragonfly wings, and I'm just getting some solder ready. So I'm going to put them on with medium solder, and I'm actually going to use a fair bit because I have a fairly large area to fill. Unfortunately, what I would have liked is my holes to be my wire to be exactly the same size as my dragonfly wings. So I just want to show you my soldering area. My soldering area is on a turntable so that I can turn things nice and easily. I'm just going to get this ready to go. I haven't turned my torch on yet. So I have unfortunately drilled larger holes than I should have. So these are a little bit loose, but I should have made a smaller hole. I just couldn't find a smaller drill bit easily. And so these should be smaller. I'm going to put this in this way. And what I've done on the back is I've put a little cut right in there. I've put a little cut in there, a slot, so that when I bend this through over like this, and I should actually use different pliers. So I'm just going to use a pair of flat nose, and I'm just going to bend this over so that this sits in that groove. And the first one should be easier than the second one. Just like that. You can see the wing is fairly solid. And I'm going to do both wings same way. Oops, sorry. I'll take my glasses off so I can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to put the other wing in, make sure it's positioned correctly. I'm going to grab the end of this. I'm holding the wing and the body, and I'm just going to twist that over top of it so that this fits into that little groove there, just like that. And I'm not too worried about marking it right there, because I'm going to be soldering it and bending the wing down. Now it's a little bit loose, so I'd like it tightened up. And we just want to make sure that this is in there nicely. What I'd like to do is I'd like to bring that other side in just a little bit. So what I want to do is make sure, sorry, let me get some more light on here. Make sure that I can get right in there. Give that a nice little squeeze. Now normally I don't bend them very much. Don't bend them out. You can see that this one here needs to be pulled. I want to make sure that these are fairly tight, like that. So that's pretty good there. Make sure it's tight right in there. And they're aligned. In this case, I'm going to hold it right there on the bottom under the wing. So I've got it on the wing right there. Turn my oxygen on. Now you should dip it. And we're just going to move this in just a bit so you can see what I'm doing. Get my flux out. flux. Remember, I'm using propane, not natural gas, so it's going to be much faster. Better if I didn't just lose my solder. See if we can't get this one to go first. Oopsies. I just accidentally got my solder on the edge here. I'm gonna have to take that off, shit. So I'm gonna grab another piece of solder, and that one that I just accidentally slipped onto his head, I'm just gonna put another piece on the other side. And when I'll get that one and deal with that in a minute. So I do have to heat the wings. There it goes, just pulled forward. Now I'm going to flip it over so that the other side, I can confirm that it has also flowed. Am I still on the screen? Good. And I'm just watching the solder. There it goes. Flip it over. Looks okay on the front. If I needed to, I would draw it through the front a little bit very carefully right now. Once this is done, I'll pickle it, sand off, file all that off. In this case, that extra piece of solder I have over here, I'll pull that off. Looks like it was a piece of hard solder that I accidentally joined there. And then I'll solder the jump ring onto the head right here. And that's how you put the wings on.